Hi, Marilyn. Joshua here with Peterson SEO, and thank you for requesting my video today. Today I want to discuss with you about MACS restoration services. But before we get into that, I just want to kind of touch base with you and show you the three different ways on how you could be found on Google. So let's take a quick peek at um, water damage restoration Los Angeles, for instance. You have these sponsored up here. This is way number one on how you can be seen and found in Google. And all we did is type in a keyword, water damage restoration Los Angeles. It's for this service area. So the second way that you can be found is what we call the map pack area, which is these three slots here. Um, in order to get up here, what we need to do is basically just save your profile as completed. Um, and also you want to do is make sure you have enough citations going to your business to end up at the top of this three slots here. And also the third way to be found is Yelp, or excuse me, Yelp, TriMaster, and Angie's. These three different slots up here, we call this the organic section. Um, so basically in a nutshell, these three different spots are the ways on how you could be found in Google for your business. So with that, let's get to taking a quick peek at your website and how um, how it relates as far as how Google likes to see your website in that space. So I like how you did your logo up here on the top left. You have a get a quote now tab here. You have your title up here, looks really good. And you have some content here. Okay. But what Google really looks for in a website is about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content in your home page. Now right here, it looks like maybe you got, I would say 50 words of content. Google also likes a keyword saved inside your content. So that way, every time that you're being searched, like say water restoration here, then it'll link back to your website to be found. So let's take a quick look at your competitor, which is drymaster.us. They are in the second position when you type in water damage restoration in Los Angeles. So let's take a quick look at their website. They have a drop down here. Okay, they have a picture here. They do have a few I see keywords here. Mold remediation, flood damage cleanup, fire damage restoration services. Okay, so they do have, I would say, maybe 50 to 100 words of content, about the same as you guys. You guys might have actually a little bit more than them. Anyhow, as far as content goes, Google loves a little bit more than that. So you want to make sure that you prepare your investment as far as your website uh, goes, so you can have it optimally ranking up there. The next thing that I do want to talk about is backlinks and also keywords that are embedded inside your website. Now, I plugged in your website in this tool called Ahrefs, and it shows us a live view of your website and what's doing right now. So basically what this tool is showing us about your website right now is that we're not receiving any data um, from your website. So that pretty much does not benefit you at all as far as getting traffic to your website. And we want organic traffic, and what we're showing here is you have one organic keyword here with 0. It's not even bringing any traffic to this or from your website. This is your keyword that's being used. It is a national keyword since you do have 1,000 volume on it. So in a nutshell, I mean, we definitely have to optimize your website so we can really dial down and kind of do some really good SEO backlinking on your website. So let's kind of take a look at the competitors. So we have DryMaster US. They are in the second position. They do have backlinks, referring domains, and they have, this is kind of what we want to look for. They do have 104 organic keywords going through their website. And look at that, 220 of organic traffic that they are receiving to their website. So they're basically getting a lot of business being in that second position. So yes, I mean, we definitely want to optimize your website so we can do some proper SEO backlinking and whatnot to it. So in a nutshell, that's about all I have for you, Marilyn. Let's do a quick recap on how you could be found. So let's just say, for instance, like we were discussing earlier, you type in water damage restoration Los Angeles, for instance. The sponsors up here, you can be found up here. You could be also found on what we call the map pack, and 30% of your business gathers here, and also 70% of your business is gathered in the organics. So DryMaster, 70% of their business is coming from this third position, or from the second position. So I mean, I recommend being up here on these 3 slots. If not, you basically just leave money on the table. I mean, your website is basically a digital ATM. So it's always good to just to take care of what you invest in for your business, and that way you can get the business you deserve from your website. So in a nutshell, that's about it. That's all I have for you. I hope this information becomes useful to you. If you happen to need a guide, feel free to contact me. My name is Joshua Gutierrez. I'm with Peterson SEO. You can reach me at joshua@petersonseoconsulting.com. My number is 505-331-7995. Thank you so much for your time, and have a wonderful day. And thank you. Bye-bye.